So, you've got a fresh WordPress installation. Now what? WordPress is one of the most intuitive and easy to use content management systems around, but that doesn't mean it can't also be overwhelming to new users. In this module, we'll be taking a look at the WordPress admin. There are a lot of parts and settings. I'm going to show you the things that you'll be using the most and the things that you'll want to make changes to right off the bat. For a more comprehensive look at the WordPress admin and all other parts of WordPress, check out my course, Introduction to WordPress. One thing I see a lot when I'm working with people who aren't familiar with WordPress or have never used it before is trouble navigating back and forth between the admin and the front end of your site, something you'll want to do pretty frequently in the beginning as you're setting things up. So I'll show you some quick tips for navigating your WordPress backend and front end. I'll also walk you through some initial configuration and setup. We'll get rid of the default content that you get automatically with every new WordPress installation, and I'll show you the first 5 settings you'll want to change after installing WordPress. Last, I'm going to talk about updates. WordPress has a built-in update system for WordPress core updates as well as plugin and theme updates. I'll talk about how this works and what you need to know to keep your site up to date and why you should. Ready? Let's get started.